Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Today, back with another chicken wings recipe. Trying something new today. I'm going to simmer them in solution of Shao cooking wine and soy sauce, flavored with garlic, ginger, some chili peppers. It's going to be delicious, I'm sure. Stick around and let's get cooking. Right, so let's start with the ingredients for the base of our simmered chicken wings. I have a green onion, 5 cloves of garlic, ginger here, roughly chopped. With ginger, I want some big, nice pieces. Maybe just this is enough, and for it to be more flavorful, for the garlic, just make sure that there's no peel. So here's all we have for the base, and I also have a handful of this dry red chili peppers. So for our simmering solution, half a cup dark soy sauce, half a cup light soy sauce, 1 cup of water. This may not look like it, but I don't like to waste any ingredients, so I actually add water right into the same cup where I had my soy sauce. So this is why I changed color. Go in with 1 tablespoon of Shao cooking wine, 1 tablespoon white pepper, and 3 teaspoons of chicken powder. Mix well. Doesn't have to be perfect because we will bring this to a boil, which will help to dissolve some of this. Start by preheating a couple tablespoons of sesame seed oil. And in with everything we prepared for the base. Alright, just a couple seconds, going in with the simmering mixture. When this boils, we will add chicken. I have half a pound of wings. Once the chicken is in, reduce heat to simmer. Cover this up and let's go for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, after 20 minutes, smells absolutely amazing here. Careful. Wow. Look at this color. Let's check for doneness. Yeah, they're done. Let's plate it up and try it. Alright, well, here's a taste test. They smell absolutely divine. Let's try. I don't know what to say. You have to make it. It is delicious. Just subtle spice from the chilies and the white pepper. Ah, so tender, so juicy, amazing. Hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe got some new ideas. Thank you for watching, as always. Till next time.